Welcome to HRAPP. I'm in the dashboard where as an user, I can check in, check out from the dashboard itself. I can see various leave types and the available balance on each leave types. And in a month, how many days I was on time and late. Also, I can see the holidays announced in my organization, time off that I applied, and the status of those records, and also any outstanding actions here. As a super admin, I can see the team dashboard where I can see the number of employees active in the system and inactive. Also, I can see how many are present, absent, and on leave. Here in leave distribution, I can see on any specific day how many leaves were applied and who all applied. Likewise, I can see the attendance data with location of the people, whether they are in office, working from home, or on field. Also, on any specific day, I can see how many people were on time and late. Let's get on to the leave module. So here in leave module, you have various configurations. So one such configuration is the leave enforcement configuration. So here I'm creating a service-based leave. So based on the number of years you are on service, I can allocate leave days for employees. Right? Likewise, I can create maternity leaves based on number of child. You also have an option to freeze any specific leave for a period. So if I do not want to have employees applying for a specific leave on a specific date range, I can actually define and freeze that. Here in leave type, you have 30 plus business rules wherein you can create paid and unpaid leaves. You can also link it to the leave enforcement configuration and define the coverage at organization, grade, or custom group. And how many days, total number of days you are allocating for that particular leave type, max and min limit. Also, you can say whether it's applicable during probation or after probation. Applicable during notice period, whether you wanted to prorate that leave and allocate them based on their join date, or you wanted to allocate 100% of the leave that are available in this leave type. Also, you can enable carryover, accumulation, and encashment. You can set a limit and run through the leave closure process end of the leave year for carrying over the leaves to the next year. You also have the option of receiving documents based on a threshold. So this is primarily used for medical leaves. So you can define leave period as monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, and set a target for that. You can activate a specific leave type after certain days of joining the organization. You can also enable leave approval cutoff, enable the advanced notification so that people are not applying too close to their leave application date. Also, you can define how you wanted to calculate the leaves, whether it's based on the business working days or all days of a month. And you can also enable to present this information in the dashboard. So that's all about the leave module. So let's get on to the short time off. So this is primarily used for allowing employees to take off for a couple of hours. So here again, you can configure based on your organization policy. You can limit certain number of permissions. So maybe like 3 times in a month. You can also set limit per time off. It could be like 2 hours or 3 hours, and set a frequency and even enable this after a certain number of days after joining the organization.